Hi, in this video I'm going to go over our belt guide, also just some things to consider if you're shopping for belts for your mower. We do anything we can design-wise to get the most out of your belts. However, they are just a high-wear item, so we always recommend stocking up on belts in case one were to break in the field. That'll always save you trouble. So let's jump on our part site and I'll show you how to find the correct part numbers for the belts on your mower. Okay, now you can actually get to our part site directly from our website. If you're on wrightmfg.com, you can select Wright Parts in the right top corner, or you can search parts.wrightmfg.com. Now I'm just going to type in a random serial number, but obviously you'd want to type in the serial number for your mower. So in this case, I'm going to do 126 307. And that brings me to a standard ZK52. Now something to take into consideration is our mowers smaller than 42 inches, so our 32, 36, and 42 inch machines are just going to have two belts, a drive belt and a deck belt. And then our larger mowers, larger than 48 inches, so our 48, 52, 61, and 72 inch machines are going to have three belts. That's going to be two deck belts and one drive belt. In this case, we have a 52 ZK, so I'm going to just search belt as the keyword. And I can scroll down. So these are the three belts that I was mentioning. So if you select it, you can see which belt that is. So in this case, this is the short deck belt on the 52 machine, and we have the part number here, which you can copy and paste or select buy from dealer, which will link you to our dealer finder page. This is going to be our long deck belt, which it shows right here. And then this is the drive belt. Now, like I was mentioning, sometimes belts are upgraded or there's a design change. So in this case, this belt was shortened by 1 inch from the original design. So this is the correct belt. However, if you had a serial number where this belt was installed, so let me just search this part number. Erase that. So this comes up. Now, when you look through the notes here in the repair information, it'll tell you that this belt was upgraded to this part number. So this is the correct one. Now we also have information like this, repair information with a link to a YouTube video on how to install it. And we also have a lot of other product videos where we show belt installation. So if you have any questions, you can always look on our YouTube channel, but we recommend reaching out to your dealer or reaching out to us on our website or on Facebook. So I hope this has been helpful to you. If you enjoy videos like this, you can subscribe to us on YouTube and also hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.